Bitcoin, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis, when the price exactly was within this move, we mentioned we're expecting the price to drop. Okay, and this is what we get. And after that, we mentioned if there is a breakout of this trend line, maybe the price can drop more. And after the breakout, we get the second correction. And now we're looking at this. Okay, anyone? By the way, anyone is in the sell from there? No, I think they should, if they want to keep the trade, they should move. I mean, start to manage it. Okay, because we are not. We want to see how deep this one can go. All right, at least move the some. I mean, at least they can book some profit. Okay, now again we have been looking for sell from here. There was a second opportunity here, which I didn't have update on that. Now we're looking at this, whether this one can give us another sell setup or we can look for reversal. If this one is still, we can expect to be similar to this one and this for one more drop. Okay, but right now we don't have any trade setup unless if this one become a deeper, maybe we can expect to become one more drop simply because of this shadow and where the price is on the trend line. Okay, maybe we move to higher time frame based on daily chart. Okay, as we can see, based on daily chart, the price broke the previous top, and when the price was there, I was pointing on indicators that we have a divergence as well here. That's why I mentioned if anyone is in the buy, they should be quite careful in case there is a reversal. And this is exactly what we get. Now, can we expect this one to drop a bit more, then become as a running flat for continuation? This is what we can see based on the daily chart. Okay, and if we move to forward chart, even based on forward chart, every time we point that we have a divergence when we put this one in relative to this, but based on one of the indicators, I have the divergence. Okay, as we can see from here and here again, but MACD doesn't show us anything. Okay, that's why sometimes we have to have different indicators, and for the divergence, this one can give us better result than the MACD, but we use both of them. Okay, now the thing is the price drop, and even if we refer to our analysis, we put these two lines. We mentioned if there is a breakout of this, the next one we're looking is for this. And as we can see exactly the price tag, and no one see whether the price can break or not. Okay, now we're looking at this. Still, if there is a break continuation, still we can expect the price to drop some more. Even though easily the price can retest 46. Okay, but we were expecting to drop a bit more, but not to the 46, maybe around somewhere around 48, because we're looking at this one as a running flat. But right now we cannot confirm. We need to wait. Okay, unless we put the Fibonacci. Okay, but if we move to 1 hour chart, now what's the next and how we can trade? First of all, can we put this on relative to this, see whether we have a divergence or not? MACD doesn't, but this one we have a divergence. But one thing we need to know that right now, still we can expect to the price for one more drop. Okay, because the way is correcting for the down move. The only times we can look for buy when we have a reversal. Okay, the reversal should be something similar to what we have here, for example. Okay, but right now we don't have anything. The way is moving, the way is forming the correction for one more drop. Okay, right now we cannot look for sell. The only way is to have entry below this, but because of this shadow, it depends on the traders, but I don't suggest it. The only times if this one become deeper, similar to what we have here, or at least with the three waves internally, then maybe we can look for another down move. But from now, any sell we consider as a short term. As long as we get into the profit, we start to manage it. And one more thing, the price is on the trend line. That's why if you want to look for sell, we need to be quite careful. If we get a deeper correction, is better. But if the price continue from here, the only way is to have an entry below this. By the way, just now we're looking at this. We want to see whether we can get another one more sell or not. And again, if anyone wants to look for buy, they need to get the sharp move reversal flag to look for buy. But if they get any buy when the price come to this top, they need to start to manage. Maybe we get this flat. Again, the price continue. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart and we see whether we can get one more sell from here or not. In this case, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.